Have you ever wondered why some faceless YouTube channels go from 0 to hundreds of thousands of subscribers, while others keep uploading for months and barely get any views? If you think the answer is expensive editing, AI-generated videos, or uploading every single day, you're wrong. The biggest reason faceless channels fail in 2026 is because they're following outdated advice that simply doesn't work anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you what actually works in 2026, the biggest mistakes new creators make, and the exact strategy you can use to grow a successful faceless YouTube channel from scratch. So, without wasting any time, let's jump straight into it. The first thing you need to understand is that YouTube has changed. A few years ago, you could upload almost anything consistently and eventually get views. Today, the competition is much higher. Thousands of AI-generated videos are uploaded every hour, and YouTube has become much better at identifying content that provides real value. That's why simply creating a faceless channel isn't enough anymore. Your goal shouldn't be to make faceless videos. Your goal should be to make videos that people actually enjoy watching. The first mistake I see almost every beginner making is choosing the wrong niche. Many people create one video about AI, the next about motivation, then a gaming video, followed by a finance video. When you do this, YouTube has no idea who your audience is. If YouTube doesn't understand your audience, it doesn't know who to recommend your videos to. Instead, pick one niche and stay consistent with it. Whether it's AI tools, tech tutorials, finance, productivity, coding, business, or educational content, stick with one topic long enough for YouTube to understand your channel. Now, here's another mistake that silently kills most faceless channels. People chase trends every single day. A new AI tool launches today. Everyone makes a video about it. Tomorrow, another tool launches and everyone moves on. The problem with this strategy is that your videos die as soon as the trend dies. Instead, create evergreen content. Evergreen videos continue getting views months or even years after they're published. For example, instead of making a video called New AI Tool Released Today, make videos like Best AI Tools for Students, Best Free AI Video Generator, or Top AI Websites Everyone Should Know. These topics continue getting searched every day, which means your videos continue bringing views even while you're sleeping. Now, let's talk about something that's even more important than your content, your thumbnail and title. Imagine you've spent 10 hours creating the perfect video, but nobody clicks on it. That video is practically invisible. Your thumbnail has only one job: make people curious enough to click. Keep it clean. Use one main subject, bold text with just a few words, and avoid filling the thumbnail with unnecessary icons or tiny details. Whenever you create a thumbnail, ask yourself one question: if I saw this while scrolling YouTube, would I stop and click? If the answer is no, redesign it. Once someone clicks, the next challenge begins: keeping them watching. This is where most creators lose their audience. If your intro is slow, people leave. If your explanation is boring, people leave. If nothing changes visually for too long, people leave. Every few seconds, give your viewers something new to look at. Add B-roll, animations, zoom effects, screenshots, graphics, captions, or examples. Remove unnecessary pauses and get to the point quickly. Remember, YouTube doesn't reward long videos. It rewards videos that people actually watch until the end. Another thing many creators misunderstand is consistency. Consistency doesn't mean uploading every day. It means delivering quality content on a schedule you can actually maintain. One excellent video every week is far better than 7 rushed videos that nobody watches. As your editing, storytelling, and thumbnails improve, your channel naturally becomes stronger over time. Now let's talk about AI. In 2026, AI has become one of the biggest tools for creators. You can use AI to research topics, organize scripts, generate ideas, improve audio, edit videos faster, or create better thumbnails. But here's the important part: don't let AI replace your creativity. Thousands of channels are using the exact same prompts, the exact same voiceovers, and the exact same editing style. If you want to stand out, add your own opinions, your own research, your own storytelling, and your own personality, even if your face never appears on screen. That's what makes viewers remember your channel. One of the biggest secrets of successful faceless channels is that they don't create random videos. They build series. For example, if your niche is AI, create a series like Best AI Tools, AI News Weekly, AI Automation Tutorials, or Hidden AI Websites. When viewers enjoy one episode, they're much more likely to watch the next one. That's how you increase watch time across your entire channel. And finally, don't become obsessed with views. Instead, become obsessed with improving every upload. Ask yourself after each video: was my thumbnail better than the last one? Was my hook stronger? Did people watch longer? Did I explain things more clearly? Small improvements in every upload create massive results over time. The biggest YouTube channels weren't built by one viral video. They were built by creators who kept learning, testing, and improving. So if you're starting a faceless YouTube channel in 2026, remember this. Choose one niche. Create evergreen content. Make thumbnails people can't ignore. Hook viewers in the first few seconds. Keep your videos engaging from beginning to end. Use AI to speed up your workflow, not replace your originality. And most importantly, stay consistent. If you do these things for the next 6 to 12 months, you'll already be ahead of most creators who quit after uploading just a few videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to PryWave Labs for more videos on YouTube, growth, AI tools, tech, and creator strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.